A very good morning, students. So children, today again we are on the same lesson, my safety lesson number 8. So we have done till safety at home. So today we are going to continue from page number 40. So this is page 40, safety in the playground. Now in the playground also you have to remember some safety rules so that you may not get hurt, you can avoid any kind of accident. Okay, so now safety in the playground. What safety you have to take? Rule: do not hit, run or push others. Okay, you will not do the pushing, you will not run, and you will not going to hit anyone. Then do not stand too close to the swings. Then do not go alone for swimming. Okay, you have to take the help of your elder, you have to go with your elder whenever you go for the swimming. Now come to safety while traveling. Okay, while traveling, do not lean your body parts outside the vehicle. You can see the picture now. Vehicle is moving and then somebody is sitting and the head is out. You should not do like this. Then do not talk too much near the driver. It may distract. So you should not talk too much to the driver, otherwise, near the driver, otherwise the driver will get disturbed, and then what will happen? Accident may occur. Then the next point, do not get in or out of a moving bus or train. When the bus is moving, you should not get down. Bus is moving, you should not get in. Okay, now the next is stand in a queue to board your school bus. Okay, whenever you are boarding your school bus, what you have to do? You have to make a line. You have to stand in a queue. Safety is most important while doing any activity, and it is possible only when we are careful. When we are careful, then only safety is possible. Okay, now for the exercise, come to page 41. So children, these are the exercises of the book only, and you have to do it in the book. A. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given box. Okay, in the box some words are given and you have to write these words in the blank. Queue, playground, push, driver, wire. 1. We should never talk to the dash while traveling. We should not talk to the driver. 2. We should not touch electric dash or switches. We should not touch electric wire. 3. We should play in the dash. Where should we play? We should play in the playground. 4. We should stand in a dash at the bus stop. We should stand in a queue. 5th, we should not dash or pull others while playing. We should not push. Now the B, complete the boxes below. A sharp object. Okay, boxes are given in which some letters are missing. Okay, here children, here it is written a sharp object and the first letter they have written R. So I have cut it. You can write K. K-N-I-F-E, knife. 2. Traffic light that tells to stop. Which traffic light? R-E-D, red. 3. A place to cross the road. Zebra crossing. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G, crossing. 4th, never open the door for strangers. S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R-S, strangers. 5th, a moving vehicle from that you should never lean out of your body parts. B-U-S, bus. Now come to C. Exercise C. Write any 3 safety habits while traveling. 1. Do not lean your body outside the vehicle. 2. Stand in a queue to board your school bus. 3. Do not get in or out of a moving bus. Now come to D. Write any 3 safety habits to be followed at home. Do not play with fire. Second, do not touch electric wires. And 3, do not use sharp objects like knife and scissors. So these were the exercises. You have to do in book only. You will not do it in your EVS copy. Do it in book only. Okay, children. Tomorrow we will do the whole exercises of the same lesson and the recap part. Okay. So now again, children, tomorrow we will be meeting. Till then, goodbye. Take care.